In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for beginners. Trello is an incredibly flexible and user-friendly tool that can help you organize tasks, projects, and workflows. Whether you're managing a home renovation, planning your content calendar, or collaborating with a team, Trello makes it easy to stay on top of everything. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create and customize your own Trello boards, use its key features, and optimize your productivity. Let's dive in and get started. First, open the Trello website or app. You can do this by visiting www.trello.com in your browser or by using the Trello app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, the next step is to create a new board. Look for the option labeled Create New Board and click on it. Now, it's time to name your board. Choose a clear and relevant name that reflects the purpose of the board. For example, you might call it Home Renovation or Blog Content. Once you've entered the name, click the Create Board button to confirm. Congratulations, your new Trello board is ready. Next, you'll want to add lists to your board. To do this, click on Add a List. Think of lists as stages in your workflow. For instance, you might create lists named To Do, Doing, and Done. These lists will help you visualize the progress of your tasks. Now, under each list, you can start adding cards to represent individual tasks. Click Add Card beneath a list to create a new task. For example, if you're working on a home renovation, you might name your card Buy Paint. If you're creating blog content, you could name it Write Draft. Once you've entered a task name, click Add Card to save it. To add more details to a task, simply click on the card to open it. In the card view, you'll see a variety of options to customize and organize the task. Start by entering a description to explain the requirements or context of the task. If the task has multiple steps, you can add a checklist. Look for the checklist option, click on it, and then type in the sub-steps. For example, if the task is Buy Paint, your checklist might include pick colors and measure walls. To keep track of deadlines, you can set a due date. Click on Due Date, and a calendar will pop up. Select the date and time that the task needs to be completed by. You can also add labels to categorize your tasks visually. Click on Labels, and you'll see color-coded options. You can select existing labels or create new ones that suit your needs. For example, you might use green for high-priority tasks or blue for optional ones. To assign collaborators to a task, use the Members option, click on Members, and select the people you want to involve. This is especially helpful when you're working with a team. If you need to attach files or links to a task, click on Attachment. You can upload files directly from your device, or paste a URL to include any necessary resources. As you work on tasks, you can move them between lists to reflect their progress. For example, when you begin a task, drag the card from the To-Do list to the Doing list. When it's finished, move it to the Done list. To maintain focus and avoid getting overwhelmed, try to limit the number of cards in your Doing list. This practice helps reduce context switching and keeps your workflow manageable. When a task is fully completed and no longer needed on the board, you can archive it. Click on Archive to remove the card from your active view while keeping it accessible in case you need to reference it later. For inspiration or guidance, you can explore Trello templates. Click on Templates to browse pre-made board structures designed for common projects. These templates can save you time and give you a head start. Additionally, you can manage your board's settings, members, and activity by using the board menu on the right-hand side. This is where you can adjust permissions, view updates, and make other changes to your board. Finally, to capture new ideas quickly, add them to an inbox list or use the Quick Add feature. This ensures you don't lose track of important thoughts or tasks, even when you're on the go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.